I told you guys that I was having a problem with the passenger front tire, that there's just like a thumping noise causing me issues. I'm taking off the front spacers and see if that resolves the issue.
Let's get these pieces of shit off. So it wasn't this side, so I'm not expecting it to have an issue really. Yeah, your fitment's gonna be pretty trash, but...
Oh dude, oh no, look at that.
I know, look how sunken it is.
Dang, you can't even see the tire.
Dude, these things are so nice, bro.
I know.
Damn. Out here flexing, boy. Yeah, you got your chicken grease fingers like all over them.
I'm scared.
Just put them on.
Wait, I want to put this under here. I don't want to drop it.
Tell me you got, this is your first set of wheels while telling me it's your first set of wheels. You just want me to slide them on?
Yeah.
Okay, here, put them on the grass.
Ooh,
all right, before we
so
coat them, we're gonna, oh, these are actually so light. Dude, what? What? Dang, dude.
So my tires came in, the rears. It's a good thing that they came in a little bit sooner, that way we can just get the rears mounted today. So I got them in 285, 35, 18. I feel like these are gonna look really good. A couple people run 285, 35, 18 and it looks perfect, especially with the specs that I have for the actual wheel.
Look at you, look at you. All right, off to go get your first set of wheels mounted. Look at you. It's so cute. They grow up so fast.
I already know they're gonna look good. Like we already you know, test fitted, I guess, the fronts, but I'm excited to see the rears more than the fronts because I've never had a size that big, like on front or the rears, but we put 285s.
Yeah, we taught you right. Why are we at Domino's?
Because the stupid ass was fucking blocking me.
What,
and
see,
I couldn't even get in.
This is that tiny person pent up aggression right there. There it goes.
For real.
All right, go.
Great.
What the fuck is up, YouTube?
Stop. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new, welcome. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely does help get the channel out there. Okay, so we already ceramic coated not ceramic coated, like not properly, like
a coat, just a coating.
Yeah,
regular.
Before we go mount them, and I'll put those clips in. Okay, so here now we're just prepping the actual wheel. We put ceramic coat on it just to kind of protect it because,
well, a type of ceramic coat, because it's just something that's like hydrophobic that helps out.
I've heard a lot of things about like chrome wheels, like the coat just kind of chipping over time, and I don't want that to happen, so we're kind of just coating them a bit before we go get them mounted.
Yeah, especially since they're chrome.
Yeah.
At least like you can try to do your best to make sure that they stay as shiny as possible for at least more than an hour.
We're like right next to the shop, and we finna pull up because it looks like they're having some kind of like
be careful.
Fucking barbecue or something, and we didn't get invited.
Yeah, what's up, Kevin? What the hell? How dare you have a barbecue not even tell us, fam?
We got the wheels mounted now. They look so good. I couldn't really record like a lot because I'm trying to make sure we record as much as we can because the freaking camera is dying.
Never charge this crap. You never.
I do. I tried it yesterday.
Well, we're gonna pull up to the house. Let's get these Johnnies on and let's see how they look. All right. You might have to lower your car. Let's see.
No, yeah, the jack's not even all the way down. Oh my god, that looks so good with the freaking clears.
She wanted to do the honors to put the center caps on, yeah. So pop that thing. Nice.
Oh, yes, sir.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Dude, look at them like damn. I'm gonna throw my whole car away. This shit. This car makes mine look like crap, dude. Damn. And when the fronts are on, oh man.
This man's literally like nutting right now. This is what it looks like, mounted on and everything, car washed, looking really good. So obviously we're going to lower the car in general, like I think everywhere, because we still have a good amount of space on this side, and then on the rear kind of sits the same like before, but we definitely do want to go lower. From the side, this is what the front is looking like, the fitment. Wait closer. And then let's go to the other side. I've always had weird fitment on this side in general, but again, I'm gonna lower it. We're thinking like 1/2 inch should be fine. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. Yeah, they cleared the brembles a lot. The thumping noise actually went away, so I'm assuming it had to do with my OEM wheels. I've been driving the car for like 3 days now, like back to back, and that thumping noise is just no longer here. So it's kind of weird. That certain wheel was just kind of messing up already, and maybe it was just probably time just to get new wheels overall. And thank God I got it, because now the car drives great. It feels smooth. Huge shout out to Kevin at his tire shop. I think it's Ponce Tire Shop. He's always taking good care of us and at a really good price. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.